Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update to the latest version of Google Chrome, which is currently version 66. This is actually really easy to do. All you need to do is go to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click on the three dots. You now need to go down to Help and you need to click on About Google Chrome. And straight away, as you can see, it's now saying updating Google Chrome. And that is really it. It is that easy to update Google Chrome. If yours did not automatically start updating, then there should be a little update button here anyway, which you can go ahead and press. Once the update has finished, we can now go ahead and press relaunch, and it will open us up in the new version of Google Chrome. And there we go, as you can see I have relaunched Google Chrome and we are now on version 66. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.